Imran's chasing you.
Oh, this is so funny. Did you guys see that?
Oh my god.
It's chasing him?
It was chasing Imran because Imran was making noises. Where's Imran?
He's right here.
What happened?
Oh, the rooster was chasing Imran. Attacked him.
It did?
Oh my god.
Did it hit him?
It was like, I don't know if I even got it on tape. Where is it? Where is it?
I don't know. Go back in the car.
No, I want you to make noise so I can tape it.
Where did it go? I don't know. Where did it go? Chase me.
Stop.
It's not afraid of you guys. Murga hai bhai, murga.
Why did he chase him?
Because he was making those noises. You know how he does it with his doo 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 doo. Where is it?
No, shut up. I told you that time to make the video.
I don't know if I got it. Seriously, I don't know. उसको मैंने शुरू किया था.
Give me Imran. अच्छा Imran is the calm you.
वो कसम भाग गया उसके पीछे.
Give me a car key pad.
No, I wanted to see it. Where is it? Oh my gosh.
My rooster trying to get somebody?
Yeah. That was hilarious.
What are they doing back
Oh, where is it? Imran, make the noise. Come on.
Come on.
Come on, Imran. Where is it? Where? Come on, Imran, make the noises.
Where is it?
Those things are cute.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't see it.
It's in there. It's hiding in the bushes. Run!
Make the noises, Imran. Imran, just make the noise. Seriously, I just want to see it. What it does. Imran.
Oh, that's cute.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a mohawk on it.
They're called T-tops.
Oh.
Look at that. Look at them.
Imran.
You know, Imran, come on, make the noise. Where is he? Imran's scared. Are you serious? इनमें डरपोक है? ओके ठीक है उसको पैसे थोड़े से दे देते हैं ना अच्छा